Hello, now I'm going to talk about another AI tool that is Simplified. It is actually AI powered content creation tool. It is used for marketing platform designed to streamline workflow for creators, marketers, teams. And it have free plan like 5,000 AI words per month, and it can create graphics, PowerPoint presentations, video. And this is the interface of Simplify. There you can see the products, what is the AI workflow, social media management, AI design, AI chatbot, AI writer, and AI video and AI project management. And this is the AI features. Like you can easily present to make a presentation using AI. Thumbnail make you can use this AI. You can also add generator ads, generator, image generator, video generator, clips generator, text to speech, subtitle generator, blog writer, essay writer, article writer, chatting, social media scheduler, social media post generator, social inbox, social media analytics. So this is the workflow. Actually, it works like what do you want to build? Somebody like write the prompt and then it can create and it will from the back end it will actually works and then it can actually apply the changes and how to change the configurations and also build these format for content creation, like what will the workflow chart, what will the keywords, research keywords, and then create these blog articles. So it can be used very easily and very gently. You can use it, and for especially this platform is used for the blog creation or presentation generator, and we can use it very easily and like on brand every time human like AI. Then it and you can also use this copilot, which is it copilot can help to enhance the prompt for making this presentation or content. For graphic designer, it can be also used like it can use the from scratch or from templates and for plan they have pricing options they have like they have the free options but to get more features you have to go to pro business growth enterprise different planning options and yes you can use this platform for content creation. It is highly advisable. Thank you.